Back in 1999, I saw a scene similar to this. At the time, my first dog, Jake, a Hungarian Vizsla, was on point over a chucker that I had planted for him. He was staunch and beautiful as the sun illuminated the scene that I will never forget. It was at that very moment I realized that my life was about to change. My love of the outdoors was rooted in my career as a fisheries and wildlife biologist in the arid West, mostly in Nevada and Oregon. It extended into my personal life as an avid mountain biker, hiker, and photographer, but not as a hunter. Jake was meant to be my athletic companion, but curiosity and encouragement from my new friends persuaded me to train him for hunting. It was the nudge I needed from those mentors that helped me find this passion. I was soon looking at trucks and shotguns and selling my bikes and cars. I was hooked. One dog quickly became two, and before I knew it, I found myself and my best friend traveling the West. 20 plus years and 11 dogs have passed since my first dog, Jake. And now I travel mostly between South Dakota and Montana, raising, breeding, and training versatile hunting dogs, but Vizslas are my passion. We travel to performance tests across the country to put it all on the line to demonstrate that Vizslas are top-tier hunting dogs. My life went from seeing my first dog on point to this. There was life before Jake, and then there was life after.